Hello and welcome to the latest video of How Logical. In our last video, we learned how can you create a new Reddit account, but it might be harder for you to serve Reddit communities at first. So in this video, I'm going to show you how can you join communities in Reddit. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Google Chrome and search Reddit. Firstly, you simply have to search Reddit in your Google Chrome and tap to the first option that pops up after searching. Then it will lead you to your Reddit profile if you are logged in. Step 2. Search for the suitable Reddit community. Now you just simply have to search for a community you want to join in this search tab on top of your screen here. You just simply have to search the community you want to join. After searching and choosing the correct community, here is this join button. Here it will show this join button, and after tapping to join button, you successfully join this group, and you can set your notification and frequent low and off from notification button here. I hope you understand all the process. We'll keep making this kind of helpful contents, so if you don't want to miss any other update, make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. We will meet in another video. Till then, be safe and happy.